Hello and welcome back to the channel. We're back in North London and we've got another Christmas window that we're about to paint today. What is window painting? Window painting is hand painting the outside of shop fronts with unique pieces of window art advertising to showcase what's inside the business and bring that personality outside the business. Yeah, my name is Vikesh Patel, Creative Director of WeTheSeeds Creative Art Agency here in London, UK, and I'm going to take you on a journey today. What a freezing day it is up in North London. It is winter time here, and as you can imagine, in the UK it is extremely cold. But we're out here none of the less. We're with Cancer Research, which is a real pillar of the community. They're a charity shop. People come from the community to donate things into the shop, which they sell on as well. So this is a very fun festive field design. We're going to have some gingerbread, we're going to have this kind of candy cane as well. We've got some snow and sparkles in the sky. Let's speak to my team member Daniela, who will tell us a little bit more about this design. So Daniela, what are your initial thoughts on the design?
Well, initially I thought that it would be quite a simple design, and it is, but I like it because of the fact that it basically complements the window and everything inside. So it's quite clean in a way that you can actually still look inside and see everything, which the customers, I've realized that, they appreciate that. So I'm really happy with how it's turning out, and I just can't wait until I see the end result.
So yeah, we're in the initial stages of this design. As you can see, we're just kind of like mapping out where everything will go. Watch how this piece develops, but I think it's going to be quite an interesting one because half of it is white and then half of it is in colour. But I think that white will really stand out from across the high street down the road. I'm here with Kim, who is the manager of Cancer Research here in Chingford. And Kim, can you tell us a little bit more about Cancer Research? What is the organisation about?
It's a charity. Cancer Research is a charity, and we raise money for the drugs so the drugs can get onto the table for the patients.
Okay, and how has it been for you in Chingford? Like, what's the community like, and what's your experience of the community here in Chingford?
The community is a good community. It went a little bit down, obviously, with the COVID and etc. But I think we're all bouncing back now, and here has been really good lately in the last couple of months. With business has really boomed again, so I'm pleased.
Nice. And how do you believe quite strongly in charity shops on the high street? What do you think their role is, and do you think it's very important for charity shops to be on the high street?
I do actually now think it's important for charity shops to be on high street because of the way the economy's going, with everything, and people are trying to save money. And I think by this, everyone's pulling together with it all, bringing donations in, people buying, it's all,
And if you had to say a few words to the community, how can they help you guys as an organisation?
As an organisation, please open your wardrobes, open everything up and bring it down to Chingford here and donate for us, please.
Amazing stuff, Kim. Thank you very much. If you're an artist looking to start window painting but don't quite know how to get started, window painting offers so many great benefits, like getting your work out there in the real world, painting large-scale immersive pieces, and obviously getting paid for your time. But you need to stay tuned, as I'm going to let you in on 3 of our specialist trade secrets when it comes to window painting.
So first tip, make sure that you have a sketch of everything that you want to do for the painting. At this point you can scrape anything off very easily, so you don't need to be very detailed with the sketches. Tip number 2, especially when it's cold in the winter, make sure that the layers are very thin so that it dries really quickly. And last tip, make sure that you build on several layers. That way it's very bright and you can see it from far away. If you want more tips about window painting, make sure to download our ebook from the description down below.
we have just completed this design for Cancer Research UK here in North London. I'm going to run you through the design. On the left hand side we have this scene of different gingerbread men, and they're all kind of playing with this candy cone. We put CRUK, Cancer Research UK, on the candy cane as well, and it's a really fun immersive piece where they're all just kind of playing with it. We've got this gingerbread man on the top as well. On the left hand side we've got this gingerbread man. He's kind of like chilling on this like sleigh going down the hill, and it's really important because they're looking for more members of the community to come in and donate stock. So we thought, why not put this stock donations always welcome in a speech bubble and have that as subtle advertising as well. On the left side, I'm on the right side, I'm going to take you this way. We've got lots of different snow and sparkles in the sky, but then on the right side we got a different scene where this gingerbread man, he's kind of like gone down and he's fallen and he's broken his little gingerbread feet, and it's kind of like a play on the movie Shrek, so hopefully some children can come by and they'll be able to recognize this. Got another gingerbread man on some skis over there, a roundabout, and then one gingerbread man, he's kind of chilling in the snow doing his own thing on his side. It says come and volunteer with us, because this particular branch is looking for more volunteers to come and help them out, because these types of charitable businesses are all run by volunteers, and they're really very important for the community. So we wanted to add these little bits of subtle advertising, and we're really passionate about working with frontline community facing charity shops like this. They receive different members of the community. Maybe they go in and just speak and develop a relationship with the manager and with the team here at Cancer Research UK. So these charity shops are a very, very important piece of the community of the high street and the local community as well. We've just finished one more piece in Leytonstone, and I'm going to take you there and talk to you about that piece. If you've seen one of our previous episodes, we painted a window for Candy Floss Dessert Lounge. Now I'm going to take you to Leytonstone because we painted another window for them. I'm going to break down that design because it's a really fun and engaging piece as well. So here we are in Leytonstone, and if you've watched the other episode of the We The Seeds series, you would have saw our install for Candy Floss Dessert Lounge in Chingford Mount. Now the design that we've done for the Leytonstone branch is a little bit different, but still follows the same theme. And why we decided to follow the same theme, because it's good, it generates a good house style across branches that when people see one branch, they can directly empathize with the next branch. Anyway, so let me take you through this design. It's a really interesting design whereby we had a selfie experience on the wall, and this is by two different candy canes whereby there's kids on left and right of it with festive greetings, and the at Candy Floss Creperie, which is their Instagram handle. So the whole idea is that they can generate engagement in the festive period with children, who is usually most of their target audience is children, going inside with the sweet things, to stand outside the establishment and get some selfies, get some photos, and get that over their social media. Anyway, let me take you through the design. So this one got the selfie engagement opportunity here, festive greetings, Candy Floss Creperie, gold text looking very lovely. Then on the left side here, also looking very beautiful, got a few other candy canes, lots of stars in the sky, lots of snow on the door. Let's move around this side because it's not just this one side. Here we got some of their offerings. So we got their ice cream, got children on either side as well, and this little girl, she's kind of enjoying the ice cream, so it's quite fun. She's ready to put a big scoop of this massive ice cream onto her little cone on that side as well. We've got this big Candy Floss Christmas tree. On the top we got Candy Floss as the star, and a little in gold writings we got Candy Floss on the baubles as well. Got a lollipop, and then also finally ending up with the Candy Floss on the right hand side, and the children are absolutely loving this piece. Had some really great feedback so far. It's a 5 out of 5 star piece. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Vikesh Patel, Creative Director at We The Seeds Arts and Engagement Agency, and if you want to see more interesting window art advertising installs, engaging, immersive, large scale, then why not like and subscribe to this channel.